Hey everybody, Drew here with the Disney Rabbit Hole. This video is a full ride-through of Radiator Springs Racers at Disney California Adventure at the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. Here's some trivia for you. Do you know what Lightning McQueen feeds his cat? Cat chow! Okay, sorry, here's some actual trivia. This ride cost more than $200 million to build, making it the most expensive attraction at the Disneyland Resort at the time that it opened in 2012. Another fun fact, Radiator Springs Racers uses the same ride system that was originally developed for Test Track at Epcot at Disney World in Florida. If you enjoy our videos and you want to support our channel, the best way is to strike that like. Want to support us even more? I'm not going to stop you, just click on the thanks button that appears below most of our videos. Right now, we're saving up for a new low-light camera to help make more videos just like this one. Thanks.
Attention, make sure you stay seated with your seatbelt buttoned. Now roll out and enjoy a relaxing drive. Beautiful Ornament Valley.
Amigos, no olviden ajustarse sus cinturones de seguridad y permanecer sentados. Así es, se ven muy bien.
Now, keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the video at all times, and good luck with crossing the finish line first on Radiator Springs Racers.
Racing yet. Just follow Mater into town to get ready.
Mater, coming, Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be. Hey, here we go, Cracker. It's me. Sneak up on it. Ready? So that's right there.
Tonight together, ready, and the clock drops. Let's go!
take all your personal belongings, and as long as you're in my town, have a great time.